Hey loves, okay, so this video is all about nailing a smoky eye. I am not a makeup artist at all. I'm just a mum that really loves makeup, and I really love the look of a smoky eye, and it's something that I've been trying to kind of work my way around and nail for such a long time. And for me, I feel like I've found the right combination to let me kind of wear a smoky eye and get it done really quickly and easily. And I really love how it's turned out. So if you want to see how I did this smoky eye, then keep watching. So I'm going to start with my customizable quad palette and the shade Gingerly. It's probably my most used eyeshadow. It's a beautiful matte caramel, and I'm fluffing this back and forth with the blending brush, outer V, crease, slightly up onto my brow bone, and taking a little bit underneath the lower lash line, just blending back and forth, windscreen wiper motions. Then I'm going to take, yeah, it's a little bit dirty, don't judge me, my fluffy crease brush, and I've gone in with this beautiful brown shade, and I'm going to deepen up the crease and the outer V, just build that up and blend whilst I go. So I keep on blending back and forth, round and round, so that it's beautiful and soft. Take a tiny little bit more and pop that underneath the lower lash line, outer kind of 3/4, and make sure that's all beautifully blended as well. Then I'm going to go back in with the same brush and a tiny little bit more gingerly. I really just wanted to build up the warmth from that caramel shade, so I'm just kind of popping a little bit more all over. Then I'm going to go in with this beautiful, stunning, rich matte black shade. It's called Legendary. It's fabulous. I've used the angled brush, and I'm just packing and pressing and really building that beautiful black all over my lid. So I'm applying it all over, lash line to crease basically, and building it up slowly, little by little, just to get the intensity that I want. Applying a tiny little bit underneath the lower lash line as well, so it all ties in. Then I'm going to take that fluffy crease brush again, pick up some of the other shades, and then start to blend the edge so that there isn't any sort of harsh lines or choppiness. By doing that, it just helps ease the black and kind of make it morph into the other shades. Clean fluffy brush just to blend the inner corner and the lower lash line a little bit more. And then if you've got any fallout or you need to kind of clear up any mistakes or messes, just take your beauty blender. I didn't add any more product, but I'm just kind of clearing up my concealer. Then I'm going to go in with my favourite liquid liner. This is the Dip and Draw in black. The shade's called Perfect. And I'm just going to line my upper lash line. I'm highlighter obsessed, so I'm going to pop a little bit of my pressed luminizer and iridescent in the inner corner. Love that it kind of brightens up the eye look. Finish off with a couple of coats of my favourite mascara. This is Epic in black. And then when I wear such a dark, intense eye, I love to pair it with a nude lip. This is the Splash Liquid Lipstick in the shade Stella. Love, love, love this colour. It's my absolute favourite. So there you go. Not as hard as you thought, right? Well, for me, I feel like this is the easiest combination that I've come across, and I really love how it looks. So just remember, especially if you're doing your eye makeup before the rest of your face or you're not dressed, we all go through that stage when we're doing a dark or a smoky eye of feeling like it looks ridiculous or too much or too messy, or even that we've been like punched in the eye. But once everything's finished, once you've got your lips on and your liner on and your lashes or your mascara and even your outfit, everything then pulls together. But if you're just doing your smoky eye first, it will look out of place. So keep going, keep practicing. I hope these tips have helped you. If you need any help or you've got any questions or anything, just drop me a message. It'll be my pleasure to help. I will speak to you soon. Take care, guys.